going.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Look at the size of this. That's a pig.
Oh.
That's a pig. 20 pounds. This thing's been hooked before. Sam has a nice one. Probably not. No! Oh! Eat her in. Oh! Pretty good fit. Harrison's got one on. Oh, it's a good one. He's not great, but it's a nice one. what are you doing? What? The weed catcher caught one. The weed catcher. The weed magnet. Almost every time. He's like a rake in a weed bed.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's got a fish.
Big one. It's a tank. It's a tank.
Wait.
It's a tanker.
I need to get it in.
Oh my.
Wait, hun, bring it over.
God. Murphy.
Bring it over. Bring it over.
Don't pull the line, Chip. Oh, he's surfing. No.
Ooh.
I'm gonna lift him.
In a minute.
Wait, no, Chip, you're gonna have to grab him.
So big.
Murphy. How big is he?
Yeah, I didn't. Oh!
Yes.
Oh, about 4 pounds.
Wow.
Oh, I think I got smallest fish now. Woo. No, I got a nice one on here, folks. Oh, hand baskets. Oh, Murphy. Get the pig in here.
Yeah.
That's not a bad one, folks.
Yes, dude.
Yep.
Put him in the live one.
Let's let that guy go. Not a bad one, folks. Good one.
Oh.
It's a smallie. These things
Oh,
have
yeah.
so much energy. God darn it.
He's down there. Oh.
Jeez, that was like 6 feet of air.
3 feet in
Nice jump. He's coming up. Coming up. No, I can get him. I can get him.
Can you? Oh, sweet. Nice.
Look at that. Oh. It's a nice smallie.
Can I catch him?
Going on, I think. Oh yeah, there he is. There's a nice one. Hey folks, we're gonna. I think he's pretty good. I'm gonna say around 2 pounds right now. It's a nice first
Oh, I see him.
He's coming around here. It's not bad.
Ooh.
Nice one. Not too bad.
Nope.